Today we're going to discuss the sound production for the 26 letters in our English language alphabet. And these 26 letters represent 42 to 44 different sounds or phonemes. 18 sounds or phonemes are consonants and can be articulated and classified in several different ways. The place of the articulation, where in the mouth the sound is produced, and the position of the lips and the tongue and the throat have to do with that. The manner of articulation, how the sound is produced, whether it's stops, nasal, frictative, afflectus, glides, and liquids. We also can look whether the sounds are voiced or unvoiced. The vocal cords vibrate or they don't vibrate. How long the sounds are produced without distortion. Continuous sounds, sounds produced for several seconds without distortion, which would be o, m, n, s, v, w, y, and z, or stop sounds, production produced for only an instant, which is your b, d, g, h, j, k, p, and t. Then there are also 7 phoneme consonant pairs that produce a sound. And CH, as in ch, as in chair, SH, as in shoe, ZH sound, as in television, TH, as in think, TH, as in this, HW, as in what, and NG, as in wing. The vowel classifications has 15 vowel phonemes plus at least three R-controlled vowel combinations. The tongue and lip position determine the sound. The tongue moves from front to back and from high to low. The tongue position affects the lip position from wide and smiling to round and wide open. The first vowel that we're going to look at is E. E has a wide mouth sound. And you would see that in three, or these, or me, or eat. Next is I for hit, Jim, bin, again, wide-mouthed. Then your A sound, which your mouth is starting to get a little thinner, and that's cake, sail, tray, they, ate, vain, great, baby. Our sound would be hat. Our sound would be met, led, said, or many. A would be hat, have, played. Now we're starting to get into more of our wide open sounds, and that would be I, as my mouth starts to open up wider, lime, tie, sight, sky, time, by. And then O, where it's really open, is hot and watch. Our but, ton, love, young, and blood. Then we have an aw sound as we're starting to get that, instead of wide open, a little bit thinner. Saw, baw, water, cause, and bought. Now our O sound, as it's starting to get even thinner and rounder, poke, toe, coat, show, open. And then our sound for book, put, and wood. And then finally our really round sound, and that's ooh. So you can see it's not open very much. And that's moon and tune and soup, chew, ruby, and do, music, cue, few, and cue. Now our controlled R, when we have an R with our valve, changes the way the sound is. So our sound is bird, her, and fur. Our R sound is far, and our OR sound with the R is for and or. Then we have some diphthongs, diphthongs, which are our oi sounds. Coil and toy, and oud for loud, and how. And that's how we make all of our different vowel sounds. So as we're starting to produce and sound out these words, let's use a mirror and look at the formation of our mouths so that we can see how we're forming our sounds and in the different groups. Thank you very much.